New research has revealed that ancient Egyptians have captured and mummified millions of birds for ritualistic sacrifices. Researchers have recovered mummified birds, specifically African sacred ibises, stacked atop each other in tiny jars and coffins. By observing it closely, it has been observed that Egyptians probably plucked wild ibises from their natural habitats. The mummies were buried around 2,500 years ago, when the ibis sacrifice was common practice in Egypt. Researchers compared these mummified birds to that of 26 modern African sacred ibises, which could reveal clues about the ancient bird's origin. However, DNA analysis revealed that the ancient and modern birds showed similar genetic diversity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to STEAM Daily for such amazing latest content on science and technology. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.